In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted your designs to feel more alive, a touch of motion can do wonders. We'll walk through the simple built-in tools that let you add tasteful movement to text, images, icons, and shapes without needing any advanced animation skills. Start by clicking the element you want to animate. That could be a headline, a product photo, or a simple shape. When an element is selected, you'll see a bounding box around it, and the options on the right update to reflect what you can do with that specific item. Selecting the exact element matters, because each one can carry its own animation. Next, look to the right-hand panel and select Animation. This is where Adobe Express gathers all of the motion controls. If you don't see the choices right away, double-check that something on your canvas is highlighted, because the animation tools only appear for a selected element. Now choose a preset animation style. Fade is subtle and clean, great for professional or minimalist designs. Pan moves the element gently across the screen, adding a sense of direction. Slide brings the element in from an edge, which is useful for guiding the viewer's eye. Zoom scales the element, creating emphasis or a reveal without changing its position. Pop adds a quick, energetic bounce that feels playful and attention-grabbing. You can switch between these at any time. Nothing is permanent until you settle on the look you like. With a style chosen, fine-tune it by adjusting direction, speed, and timing when those options are available. Direction lets you decide where the motion comes from or where it travels, left, right, up, or down, so you can match the movement to your layout. Speed controls how calm or energetic the effect feels. Slower speeds read as smooth and elegant, while faster speeds feel dynamic and bold. Timing allows you to control when the motion starts and how long it lasts, which helps balance multiple animated elements so they don't compete with each other. As you adjust, keep your design goal in mind. Use motion to guide attention to the most important message, not to distract from it. Consistency across elements usually looks polished, but a single contrasting motion can highlight a call to action. And that's all it takes. Click an element, open animation in the right-hand panel, pick a style, and refine direction, speed, and timing. You now have the essentials to animate confidently in Adobe Express.